Jason's Texas Adventures, and I'm here at the Kleb Woods Nature Preserve west of Tomball, Texas. So let's go take a look and see. It says the preserve hours are 7 a.m. to dusk and Nature Center from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. No pets allowed. I don't have any pets with me. Rules are rules, guys. This sign has a map of the trails and some more park rules. So, we're gonna check this out and see what we got here. Let's go exploring. As you can see on this sign, they have lots of hiking trails. But I'm just gonna stay on this main road. I'm curious to see where this road leads to. Heavily wooded here, I like it. Beautiful morning and the birds are chirping. They've got a Roadrunner sign here. Beep beep. One of my favorite cartoons. Yeah, good old Looney Tunes. Let's see what this bench says. It says, in memory of Thornwell Kleb, donated by his loving family. Check out these trees as the sun is coming up. It's absolutely beautiful here and peaceful. It looks like this might be the Nature Center off to the left up here. And guys, I believe I'm the only one here. This is a Sunday morning. Got the whole park to myself, I guess. Let's see, I bet this is a picture of Mr. Kleb right here. I bet he was quite the person. This is quite the place to live, I tell you. Beautiful out here. Yep, this is the Nature Center. I believe they're closed. Yep, that sign right there says they're closed. Ah, oh well. We're still gonna be exploring around though. They got a bulletin board here. It says Kleb Woods Bird Walk, Wednesdays at 8:30 a.m. And recent bird sightings. Looks like they got a lot of hummingbirds that come here as well. I see feeders all over the place in this park. Well, cool. Let's go exploring, guys. Let's see what we can get into. That's nice. They even have a wheelchair accessible ramp to get up here. Pretty neat. Let's take a look over here. Looks like they got a nice little pond. Very peaceful. Neat how the sun is casting shadows of the trees like that. Pretty cool. Came here at the right time on the right day, I guess. Here's a closer look at this little pond. Very peaceful and beautiful. And this is a bald cypress. Take a look at this. Beautiful tree. And beautiful blue sky as well. Here's a look at a live oak tree. So take a left to the Kleb house and the blacksmith. So let's go that way. And another sign here. That's just like the one they had at the entrance. Yep. Showing you the map and the park rules again. Says brush pile at Kleb Woods, an important wildlife habitat. Yep. Lots of birds here. Happy birds are here. It's kind of hard to believe this place isn't relatively far from the Houston area. Let's see, lots of signs here telling you where you're at. Straight ahead, the Kleb house. Off to the right, this is the blacksmith. Right here. We'll go check that out here in a minute. There's some really beautiful trees that have flowers on them. So let's go take a closer look over here. This one has some pink and the other one has some white flowers on it. Check out, I'll do a close-up. There's your postcard right there, guys. In the words of Boondocking with Dennis. And some white flowers. Yep. Those Texas bluebonnets should be blooming here soon. Spring is coming fast and furious. So let's check out the blacksmith shed right now. Looks like we got some equipment here hanging on this wall. Pretty cool. Let's take a peek in here and see. Yep. Pretty cool. Neat stuff, guys. Let's see. This says, in loving memory of Horace M. Cumming, known as Duke, 1940 to 2022. Duke was an early Roadrunner volunteer at what is now Kleb Woods Nature Preserve and Center. Until 2022, he also volunteered at Cypress Top Historic Park. And guys, there's a squirrel in here. See him run off? Here's some more equipment. I don't know a whole lot about blacksmithing, but pretty cool stuff. Looks like we got some farming equipment here. Let's see what this says. Horse-drawn mower. Wow, we've come a long way, huh? Now they've got remote-controlled mowers that mow the yard for you. This talks about the farm equipment here at Kleb Woods Nature Preserve. And they've got some more of it over here, so let's go take a look. This is a horse-drawn planter. A horse-drawn corn chopper. And a horse-drawn hay rake. Neat stuff, guys, neat stuff. Preserving history right here. So let's go take a look at where Mr. Kleb lived. And they've got more trails behind here. Might explore those in a little bit. We'll see. But isn't this just beautiful? And this sign says they have house tours. Learn more about the historic Kleb house. Visit the Nature Center to ask about a tour. That would be really cool to do next time. This looks fully restored too, or at least mostly. Definitely gonna come back here in the future. Let's see, can't read that too well, but in honor of a lot of Klebs donated by their children. And there's a historical marker here as well. Let's check it out. Constructed in the 1890s, the Kleb family home and its location in the wooded northwestern part of Harris County represent a time of dispersed rural settlement in the area. Edward Kleb, a descendant of German immigrants who arrived in Texas in 1846, built the house on property acquired from his father Andrew. Elmer Kleb, 1907 to 1999, son of Edward and Minnie, was born in the house and inherited the property when his mother died in 1967. Edward passed away in 1951. Deeply attached to the family land, Elmer planted many of the trees in the area and cared for wildlife, often nursing injured birds. Elmer lived a unique existence, a life without utilities in the natural setting. He also did not pay taxes and amassed a debt of more than $150,000 by 1986. Over Elmer's wishes, a court-appointed law firm worked to sell a portion of the property, which had grown significantly in monetary value, to cover the amount owed. Elmer, however, wanted to donate his land to the Audubon Society. The situation attracted national attention, and soon lawyers, county officials, charities, and other agencies began work to find a way to pay the bills and preserve the habitat. In 1991, a Texas Parks and Wildlife Department grant enabled Harris County to buy the land. The county paid the debt and created the Kleb Woods Nature Preserve. Kleb's determination, as well as help from others, led to the preservation of a wildlife refuge in a rapidly urbanizing area. The county started a trust fund to cover Elmer's needs until he passed away. Later, restoration began on his house, a vernacular hall and parlor-style home featuring side gables with returns. Let's check out the trails now. This is called the Farm Trail and it's 3 miles. I hear some blue jays in the distance, along with many other birds here. This says to Live Oak Trail as well as the Wetland Trail straight ahead. Such a beautiful area here. I love how they're preserving Texas history too. I see a live oak up ahead. Look at how the sun rays are just shining through these trees. So we got Live Oak Trail to the left and Wetland Trail to the right. Let's go check out these live oaks first. Absolutely beautiful. Man, if trees could talk, I bet they'd tell quite a story. Okay, so I turned around and now I'm on the Wetland Trail. Let's check this out now. Looks like we got a little wooden bridge up ahead. Let's go see where this leads to. That says poison ivy. I definitely don't want to get into that. Alright, let's keep on walking. Keep on keeping on, as my friend Justin says at Backroad Freedom. Alright, what do we got here? It says Carolina Cherry Laurel. Alright, let's keep on going. Keep on keeping on. Well, it looks like I won't be going this way. It says caution, boardwalk is closed. I don't know, maybe it needs some repairs, I don't know, but we'll come this here way. I see part of the wetlands over here. Let me zoom in and give y'all a better look. Here we go, here's a better view. That's a good place for a gator right there. Alright, let's see what's up here. I see a sign. Let's go see what it says. It says Myrtle's Pool. Myrtle's Pool. Myrtle was the sister of Elmer Kleb, daughter of Ed and Minnie Kleb, and the namesake of Myrtle's Pool. The pool is part of a seasonal wetland that only dries out during periods of extreme drought. So good to see water in it. That's a nice sight. Definitely a good place for an alligator. This is a loblolly pine tree. Check out the height on this one. Headed back now. I've had quite the time over here. I am so glad I came, and I definitely will be back here. So glad this place is preserved for future generations to enjoy as well. If you can, get out there and enjoy nature every once in a while. Good for the mind, body, and soul. I found this pecan on trail as I was headed back. That'd be a good snack for one of these squirrels around here. I see the Kleb house coming right up. Those were some pretty cool trails, and I know there's a bunch more to explore here as well. Preserving Texas history for future generations to enjoy right here, guys. So guys, from the Kleb Woods Nature Preserve near Tomball, Texas, have an awesome, wonderful day. Thank you all for watching. Texas history made right here, guys. Get out there and be one with nature every once in a while. And keep on riding the waves of life. Thank you all for watching.